block and brace, and how does that work?
So blocking and bracing is something that's done for materials which are shipping most generally via some sort of export channel inside a shipping container. The importance of blocking or bracing is generally when you're going in a container for export, your product is probably going to go on a ship and go in the ocean. So it is critical for the integrity of your freight that is secure inside the container. So blocking and bracing can mean something as simple as you block and brace and put boards on the end of at the end of the container so that the freight can't slide forward and back. Or it can mean something as drastic as we are actually building a customized crating solution for the freight that boxes it in and secures it so that it has no ability to move inside the container whatsoever. Blocking and bracing in all cases is critical to the integrity of your freight that is exporting to ensure its quality to get to the final destination. And Scarborough offers pretty much every service offering possible when it comes to blocking and bracing, and has a vast amount of experience in doing just that for service offerings in every different kind of channel possible, for machines to just basic general freight to agriculture industry, all of those different kind of things.